Now, in this video, we're using three platforms. One is MindStudio, second is obviously make.com, and third is Pandadoc. So just starting with MindStudio. So MindStudio is a platform where we just build an AI agent where you can use any AI model that we Llama, OpenGPT, Perplexity, any you want to. So what we do with that? So we just gather the information, as you know. We know the gathering the business information that we need. Okay, that is email company or a SaaS company or what company they belongs. So getting the information, email ID from that. Then we just write the problem statement what we understand after doing the meeting. That's okay. They have loose overhead. Okay, they have this problem. And just we write randomly write everything that's happen, not structure it, just write it that okay bulletin, okay, we have to do this is the problem. Okay, they have not so great, they are not sending personalized email, their reminder sucks. So and after that we write a solution. After the meeting you understand, okay, we can build this. Okay, we can build the personalized message sending system by scraping their profile. We just write the around in this stuff, and last we just write the achievement, what they achieve. They are trying, okay, they double their soap rate or double their business revenue. What's we they achieve? So we just highlight this achievement to it. So if you go that, what is the back end in there happen? We just get the information what we just tell business goal and problem. And each step we just use AI to write the problem statement, giving example, solution statement, problem statement, the goal, and even we just write our title through it, titles, and we, after that we just send to make.com. Just worry about the I just giving the overview of this whole system, and we build each and everything with saying like that. So and then after that we just send to the make.com, and here, and we just connect by webhook and just send to the Pandadoc. Now in the Pandadoc, what we do, if we anyone not know the Pandadoc is a very extremely great product where we can generate invoices, proposal, document, and share to anybody. And it's extremely simple, ready to use, and so if you want to just you generate proposal, you can watch over it. It's extremely simple. So what in the proposal we're doing that, just simple proposal, not so complex, no high ticket, just simple, that we have a company name, we have proposal description. Everything you see in this allows mark, it's all about generated by AI. And just put the client company name, first name. See that we just replace this variable. This is called variable in this one. And this with the our data after we sending with the make.com. We just have to send out this client name, first name, and this replace it automatically. You have to not bother anything. So we have the problem statement, and there is a client company name, which is a client problem area, where which what we generate in there is a with the problem statement. Just connect to it and just send to it there. And after that, there is a solution area. We just send the solution area, what is solution it, and solution area everything. And the solution we generated through AI, we just paste it here. And after at the last on the part, we have pricing, and we just automate all thing. Project description is done by AI, and we can put every money budget through our form, just put in, and this automatically is generated. And we just our my tablet is using pretty defined thing that we just take 50% upfront and 50% now. So we're just using the discount feature of that and it's calling it a bounce and just doing it. Yeah. And after soon as the pricing happen, there is a contract sign. After as soon as they sign the contract, you can see that the sender is all filled with our messages. We don't have to do nothing to with it. As soon as they sign the contract, they get a Stripe link and they pay them our pay us, and the project ready to go. And this beautiful part of this paradox that you know that do the client open the paradox or not, okay, in which page they log out, if they read the whole content or not, it's know everything because they track all things. So that's why I love it paradox thing. Now this is the whole stuff that we're building now. Now I will tell you how to build the structurally each step. So now going to here. Now see, now I'm going to MindStudio friend users. Just you have to type MindStudio. First thing you just click it. My workplace. Now just go to here and just create a AI. You have to do nothing. You just go and just create a AI. Now you can see that pretty soon we have prompts because everything we just train the AI agent through prompt. So you have pretty defined prompts for here. MindStudio allow you that. You want the ad agent or blog post generator, demo call stripper, email response generator, financial forecaster, email handbook, or lead generation ad. If you any category you fall down, just you can just check this and just the system automatically generate your prompt. But I think we have nothing to do with this, so we have to generate by own. So we're just using the blank. Even you can just generate through their feature. You can just explain the system, they can generate it. But we just doing the blank because we have to know how to generate the prompts. We are and I'm going to blank. Now this is the interface you look after creating the AI. So what we change the name of it. We call it that proposal system. Yeah. Okay. One click proposal. So we have not bothered anything. You have to just state, and we have just focus on input and workflow. Now, before going any fresh that, I go into this main flow. After going there, here is a prompt. You define the whole row of your agent, what you are trying to achieve that. You have to tell else and everything what we want to achieve that. What the client role, achievement, assistant role, what is a constraint and scope. Just give me two example. Here is our prompt. So as how we craft the prompt, we have to know. You have the role. What your role of in that? We have to just define that. Okay, you have to craft a comprehensive proposal content according to the input provided. No, that now we define the role. What the person is. Just suppose that real life example with defining the role that you are HR department, you are the IT department. Just suggesting the AI that you are this, and we have predefined rules. What mean that we just bound that okay, you have this permission, you can do beyond it. That there are strictly format that don't only use input for information, don't predict by own. When you're generating a proposal, you will extremely conscious about how what information you're putting at. You just focus on that. The only information is done by the user, not the AI. We just extremely just say that you have only the information that use you have only have information that provided by user, no add and for the information. We can it only can just elaborate and just make a meter good and just that cannot add anything just define. And this we define a prompt, this professionality, over technical terms, and quoting the estimate budget. Don't quote an estimate budget if there is simply not providing, just staging a budget, nothing that should format. We're just formatting this code, we're just writing this, and the thing that we have to write in this second person language, second person project. Okay, your company is your there, so we have to define it that overall the writing or output should be in second person pronoun format, meaning that you, for example, your company is facing this issue, so we design the overall role of the whole agent. Okay, here they have to do that, and they are having a limitation. What is limitation means never mention or suggestion budget about except with that. So what they have not to allow that they have not to allow to do add anything, budget they have not to allowed to add information, that's it. And what is the scope means what is the boundary of it. Also define a scope to follow the input instruction precisely generating the prompt, means that they know they have no any freedom to do without beyond the instruction. We have just bound the instruction should be. If you are just giving the contrary example, that if you are just writing an ad or anything, that you can just say that okay, just be creative, you just have not stuck to input, you can just give okay, you can just write anything that is scope, you have to scope that you broadly that giving idea impression. And there's an additional instruction we just get for format just same person language that we define. We're just copying this same because we generated already in that. Now we define the role. Now this is the out person. The agent means that do the work. Now we define what the inputs. Here is the input section. Now this is type, you can say pretty defined that we have long text for taking most input data, short text which is generally used for email, phone number, short description, name, last name, like that. Text choice, you have just a menu, just you have to do binary, then text choice. You have also image choice, rating, date, display. Yeah, also can we can display the before that. Okay, you are using that proposal generating system in the first place. Okay, making our apps little bit of beautiful, that that's kind of stuff. Upload file images, that window. I was just using long text, and you have to focus on this part. What is the variable? Variable is very important in MindStudio because we just using this storing that and inputs. Give me example. Here is that whatever we put in this section, that assigned to the variable that contain this variable, means that if we just put a solution, means this problem, and that's and write that that whatever write in this, it is stored in this variable, and whenever we want to this information, we call this variable. So general practice that write the variable according to the name preference, not use the random number as xyz, that very make very complex, and if you are building very cool big flows, so write just generally write it. And also you have to write in just, you can use a markup language. If I have problem number one, then use like this, problem number one two, that's like stuff you can follow the coding structure that help with us also. So we need long text, and the label text is about what we just display here. And then if you want pre-fill something, that just giving instruction in that okay, no show operate, you can just put it, and that is pre-fill up according to it. If anything not put in the value, that generally it automatically presses. It generally happen to with the company name. Okay, that if I not to pay company name, it automatically take okay, this is the predefined value. So if I need it, but we not need it. Yeah, and another practice I follow to do is that you just give an example that, and then to make person comfortable. Okay, that's that no soap, no soap, lack of personalization, poor timing. Just give an example. Just put an example. Okay, just set up. Yeah. Now after putting some example on it, now we know what to do. We're just giving the ideation. We also put in here this placeholder that like this, but we often like to put there because it gave me the idea, okay, I have to do this format, just giving the roughly idea. Now now get user input where we put the input. Now the main, now have the prompt with AI. Now the main part of the process is automation. So what we do, here is a very nice canvas that provided by MindStudio. It just look like a make.com. It's no different. If you know how to use make.com, it's very easy to use. So here is a starting point where is the flow started. Here is the ending point, the flow ended. And we do in between everything like that. So no difficult anything else. You just need one to video to understand it. And I can teach you like so in a 5 minutes. Okay. So there are numerous blocks in like a make module. There are numerous modules here. So like a generating text. The generating text means that we generate the text through AI model with ChatGPT, Llama, plus Perplexity. There is a display content where we display the content. Where there is a user input section where to put the values of the what the user input that. Mean that the problem is a user input. We just put here. Okay, you have to put the user input. We have numerous user input, but we need that input in beginning, ending, or middle of it. You determine this block when we need the input in section. We have data query is not necessary because we can also set up SOPs and sources and where we can carry it, we can query it. I mean that getting the information from a document from the using your helper. Use different function. I show you how to use it. You can also scrape a data, and there's a little which feature that when you logic job, and that's all not we required right now because we're not building a complex flow right now. So first of all, we need a user input. In that after starting the phase, I want to that the person have to put a user input. So the user input, we need the problem statement. That what the problem state before starting the app, the user have to put the problem. So after that, it display the whole unit like I'm giving you preview like now. Hmm. Now I say, and this type of look we know the display how the our app look like. We can customize it after unused, but this is how we our user interface look and what type to that. The question, example, and what you have to type here. Now, now going to main flow of it. We need what? Need to generate. We have to generate what? We have to generate a problem statement that okay, there's a no swap rate, personalized message, but we can't give like that. You have a no swap rate that. We have to write a pretty defined way. Okay, you have your company is facing this problem, why there's this issue, so you have to provide. We have this problem on the base of our conversation. Okay, due to the lack of your personalization, you have no show up rate. People doesn't have reciprocity for like this. I have to just a language side out of it for that. We have to spend money. So what do you do? We just simple prompt. No, I just show you how we just do it here. Now automation. See, now I think I should write the prompt like you going through the whole prompt. Okay, what we just going to this is that we have to write a prompt that define that you have to write a short and sweet way of problem statement which, is, which information of okay. I think that is some issue in this prompt. I should just recheck it the prompt. Copy. and just use our chat GPT. You write the same only change the gram. So we have to just change something, write it, sort information, writing in this example, like a yeah. Now going to that, let's write my cell own cell. Let's delete all the thing right now, and I just create it my own cell. Okay, okay, you have to write the problem summary for our client on the basis of this problem, this information hyphen x, a variable, write it short, brief, short, yeah. Yes, okay, anything or we needed from this prompt, no problem. And okay, I have to just set an instruction of that. Now hashtag instruction, I have to just struct what is. Sometimes my phone ring automatically. I just okay. How I just now we have to just give an instruction for it now, that you have to not exceed more than 100 word. Use of un mm, in Now it predefined for us at is concisely we need it. Now use it. Summarize the client problem on the basis of information. And what is information we needed? The information is double quoted problem. Now what we need put in this variable that supposedly go in this that go in this and we that the model user and it we just add a hundred on about the unnecessary heading like focus on conveying the impact of the an issue clearly. Now it is the basic prompt we write it. Now what we have to do is just have to iterate this prompt. Now to say just now say the preview direct is working or not. Let's say uh, your is not sending personalized message. You are not doing enough follow. Okay, okay. Oftenly you sometime you miss and send message wrong person, wrong wrong time or now we just get the word habit of it. Now see how good is that. The company is facing challenges with the messaging with communication factor. That's the key, including that lack of personalization that leading to disconnect with the audience. Insufficient follow-up, recently missing your opportunity to engage and nurture. Instant sending a message to wrong, also wrong timing, cause confusion and process. This communication is gravely impacting our ability to effectively connect to target to build a relationship and driving with distorted outcome for a business. You see that how you just put your information right here and you get a whole bunch of result in a few seconds. Now with that you can now see that how we can use this information. You just write the randomly just put it and just you get a bunch good that and you just put in the proposal in this. You can do this pretty well. Let's not do it. You think you just put a one module and just write it clearly concisely and just it generate the whole thing. And this so how beautiful this is the beauty of this AI. You can just see that how good is that. You can just elaborate that. Okay, just we can ask a bunch of parameter also that we need a business information. Okay, just I also add something that okay just add a business information like this I put in this. Okay, just it's a long text the business info business. Oftenly check this error message because if whenever you just put a variable see that is the variable is wrongly pasted or is not. If the variable have just I just refresh as this show the debugger just show the error after running that. So you just have to check on that do I just place a right variable or is it wrong. Delete. Yeah. Just we now get the information of problem. problem. No, we have to what to add to need summarizations, things. Okay, yes, we just change the that. Also add business more personal. Yeah. Now get a prompt. No. I recommend you just use the AI to write a prompt because it is very good to have in that because it is a way we just use this. Tell business. Now very good. Now just go to preview again. Now we have to do something one. Whenever just you add any variable, just you have to put this into input one. Because see as it display that a good ability that you have to put variable. Okay, so you just put it. Now we to preview again and see it. I think it's just a bunch of app. I just close it. Now we have to only open the new thread. Okay, I think I just don't play any labels. Okay, this doesn't matter. You can just you understand that we have to put it there. Okay, we have no shop. Okay, lack of personalization message. No show up. Hmm. Show up. Like a person no soap, anything else we needed to add it is that wrong timing, and also we had a problem that no proper follow up. This information you just get after the meeting. You just have to write okay, these are the problems here. Just you have not a structure, just you have this problem. As I said, is email marketing company which set appointment to appointment to B2B SaaS company. Now, let's see what is happening. If any student, this doesn't provide information. This you're currently email marketing approach. This personalized region is low engagement, no show up scheduling. This time is route is often off. The follow up is not properly structured to address your this. But we don't need this heading. We just need your heading. So what we do is we just change it. We just change the most and go there. If anything happens, is just have a instruction here. Instruction to adding unnecessary heading. Okay. Okay. Any other thing? That's okay. That's fine for right now. You just put me. So you know, yeah, I'm just lazy man. So I just next. and just grab the information that they needed. Okay, they just grab the information that already provided from here and just put in the new thread. Problem, definition, and email marketing there. Okay, based on our conversation, we just having okay. I can do different approach that. Now add this like add heading that add heading based on our conversation in meeting in we find these are the problem you're suffering from. Now just changing this. See, we just changing the information again and again to just improvising my our app. Now just have to just and even marketing company. Yes, and just put it. Let's see, does it work or does it not work? Do you have to do anything else? Yeah, we can see that we tackle the one problem that based on our conversation, then meeting, we find out this problem your company is suffering from the current email approaches. Lack of personalization, low regional commit, no scope for certain timing outreach is often the off, struggling from effective, relevant, question detail. These are issues are hindering our ability and connecting potential that and tasks. So before doing that, you know how to I know that how to build this. You can iterate it different type. You just okay adding okay, you have to just okay this is the problem, okay I've solved this is the problem, okay I have the heading, I not like the heading, okay I try to just medicate a heading but they're writing, so I just use the secondary approach that okay you have to write this heading. This you have to just iterate it to agent how you think about. There is a no pre-built solution for everything. You have to just edit again to gain your result what you want to be. Now what you do next is that we just write a this just like we just write this in this big flow. We just also write the solution system that we just get the solution that we just build a lead generation system us mean that we scrape your data and from phantom buster then we just put on the MindStudio app and make a personal message, then we operate into CRM and notify your staff to do that. We just write it that and we write a solution statement and with that the goals that we double x we x your outreach with we increase your source rate by 30%. We just skip information and it write again. So just like this, just like I'm just write this, you have just changed the prompt, just the value and little bit of prompt and it's generate. You have to know nothing about more about it. So we know how to create a prompt and you will, and after this knowledge you can I know pretty sure you can generate everything you are needed. If you don't, you just have to write simple instruction, no complex thing, no anything else you need it write it right now. Just write and just take an experiment it and you can do it from it. Now our next problem is arises right where to send this. This is the problem statement. Problem arises that we have to send the message. So what we need to connect to make.com. So we are so I telling about that how to send the message. So there is a function com is run function. So I love the MindStudio because it built inbuilt function that you can transfer to the make.com, Google, JSON, Zapier. But when means see that you have a you can send a message to the make.com. It eventually open the every door you needed because you can after the make sending information make.com you can do anything you need. Just put input. Okay, I just like to just organize my text. Okay, just okay. Now I guess good. Now we have just get the URL and input. Make.com. If you have any issue like that, just comment in below and just I as soon as possible I reach out to you and just solve your problem like that. Yeah, taking time. Okay. Yeah, love it. Yeah, proposal generating. Okay, I need this. Yeah. Okay, proposal generator. Now you have to what to do. You have to just set a webhook. Just setting, you just click the module, add the one, and just type a webhook, and you just put a webhook. This is simple. This you are not to do anything else. You did it. And we have just copy the URL, copy the address, and put it. I think I should just delete everything beyond it and URL and put here. And what we do, we just send it. It's a variable, so we just want to send it to make.com. So the variable name is just write is problem in a big problem. That's fine. And now we send the variable problem. Okay, I think this variable is right. Yeah. Now we send the variable. So I also the best part of the MindStudio is that you can check that the system is connected or not. We just need the same as that we need the URL that we have here. Copy it. Come here and go here and put it here. Then put the message you want to put. We just say hi right now. Just run it. This error is due to now. Let's see another try. Is working or not? Let's display this and okay, just okay run it and just put again it. Now this is taking error. If anyway is taking error, you just have to delete this and just webhook. And I just prefer to use that you need it. Copy the webhook and just put it again it and then try it. Oh, this error is okay. I think we should delete the whole scenario right now. If it is having the discard the change, we just create a new scenario if it's happening right now. Puzzle. Just need the webhook. Okay, is I doing anything else? No. Webhook response. No, this will not get webhook response. We need webhook. Add a new code. Proposal system. Copy it. Maybe we just copy it, put in this, and now just run it. Again, we're just getting same problem. I don't think why it is happening this right now. Okay, just run it. The left side. Hi. Yeah. Let's say stop it and again copy it, put it. Not very illicit and this one. Now, now see that data is sent to high. So a lot of time what happened is just it just sits because it's not about that you do the wrong thing. It's about that the systems are otherwise low. There is a system have heavy load, so they are not able to communicate properly. And sometimes happen is that this you have to just refresh the whole share, whole the flow. Just refresh it. It generally happen when you connecting. After you connect this, the problem is mitigated. We can send now. Now using the same webhook here, copy the code and putting here. Now, let's go to preview draft, run it. It's to set a variable. Tools, set a variable called problem and it's equal to one dot data. And you want this on this comment data. So I'm pretty sure this is the same. This is module 2 dot data. Yeah, I'm sure this happened to just use for new data proposal. Now have draft for new thread. For that I say that everything is good. Yeah, let's write the same thing that we write it here. Next. Yeah, data is gone already. Yeah. So what happened that I just clicked the previous thing and just it updated automatically and just send the data to this. And we just save also data from here. So, but it's not the way I tried. Just do again it. How do it happens automatically? I'm supposed to do that. And just copy the whole system and the label. I just increase the copywriting. Yes, I'm not liking this label text. What is the business news? Okay, this running scenario. Okay. Now, now we get the based on our conversation. We get this. Now we get the information. Now we know to send how to get the data from it. Now we have to put into Pandadocs. I just have to create a document and that's it. So before creating document, I just teach you how to create a template right now. So as beginning, I show you how this. I show you that is the proposal I made it right here. This thing. I just creating. I show you how to create your own. So you have just go to open a Pandadocs and just go to template, add a template, and you have just go to template library. And the below is that just explore the proposals, any proposal templates if they have. Okay, I think they have. Okay, they have. Choose one the one you like it. Okay, at the cringy one. And there should be a good template also. I like the format, but it not fun. Okay, doing so this. Okay, use this template. Okay, why you saying this that? Because I already saved the name of my in my whole system. So I just deleting the whole value that I pre in there. So it's very beautiful that you can, if you are a company, you can save your email ID and not put every time and stuff. So it is client from result, project overview, this, subjective, and then, okay, it doesn't require anything of it, but I'm just going to delete it. Not scoping a project, right now we're not doing anything of it. Browsing, not required. Saving, not required. Time frame, okay, we cannot do it. Our terms and conditions, we're not. Okay, we just put the terms and condition. Now click a blank. Now it is very simple to put a paradox. There is a block you can plus. You can text. You have images, video, tables, string, none. Most of the time you use text and sometimes images. And if you have testimonial, you can also use videos and pricing table is we use. So you have text. You have text. So I love the heading one. And for writing that, no white. I need black. Okay, capital it problem. I think is so good problem. I don't like this. Now put another text. Okay, here I just put the variable. Okay, there are some conversation we have, and we just putting a variable. We just will learn it. Yeah, here is a variable section. We can put any variable we required for it. So for that putting variable, you have to just add a custom variable. Just write is that it's not client problem. Client dot problem area. Copy the variable and just put it. So what has happened that we just put the data from make.com and just data we just generated here after proposal and just pull it to here in this white dot. Just simple, no fancy stuff that something in that. Just putting this same problem, not anything that. Based on our conversation, we have this problem, this and this. Okay, not fancy stuff. For the pricing, we need pricing also. No, this is not a proper page. I need blank page. Just blank this. After that, we need a pricing section also. We just go to here, just add a pricing table. Before that, also add something called text, uh, called put pricing PRI. Just you are writing this black. Make sure. Okay, just click it here. Okay, no. I just have to change this color. I'm good to go. See, I not need same thing. Back, backspace. I now add another text. Now we need another text. Client. Okay, that's small description. Right now, I like to add images if I want. Just add images, not add if not. You can add images if you wanted. You can also add videos, but we not require that. Now, what I love to do is that I love to just take 50% upfront and 50% down from after the conversation. So we just changing the shift of that. Here is our description and project title comes, and here is the name. We just put through the make.com module. Or here I just show that how we put it. Just pricing, cover and deployment, installation, like images, and add information. So there is advance and total due there. But what is advance? We just calculate how by calculating discounting them. So we just using discounting here. In that we just using discounting percentage. It will be 50%, and we just call it advance. You can see advance, and I need it bold little bit, and I not need a tax. Hide the low and total due. No. Also, sometimes just luck to this formatting stuff. Yeah, we're good to go. Quantity 1, 2, 3, 4. We're saying that okay, this is the one. This is the meat of this, that we know that problem, we know the pricing, and there is a terms and condition. And here is I want to go to analysis. Here is a sender and this. You needed that. We need this because after that you have to sign this, authorize it, and also you can add the stripe in also if you want to, and go to this one. Now just go to Pandadoc and convert it as a setting. Okay, what I need to convert as a template. So we just like Magneto proposal template. Okay, that's okay, good. Okay, we just said it is easy AI flow template. Easy AI flow template. No, there is a make.com. Okay, just delete it and just add it because we just update the Pandadocs. So yeah, just create a document. Now here's an easy for template that we needed. Now what is needed? We need client company name. We can pretty definedly add everything through this because we just take an input everything and just send a document, send everything to the make.com. But right now just I'm just doing intro this, and then I tell you how can we can do it right now. So this is a company name. You just said this is a left click solution. Okay, and client name is like Alex, and last name is mean that Buds Alex Hormozy. Okay, and what is a client problem area? Okay, there's a client problem area. We just put the data in here. It's a client problem area. Yeah, so we just fetch the data client problem area with the problem. Now the sender company name. What is rule of sender company name? We just easy flow. Easy flow. Sender name is Munna. Okay, Munna Shah is not totally. I just write it. Last name is Shah. Okay. Date of sending. No, I don't require it right now. No. Now here is a pricing table. We just have to place a pricing. So we not the currency toggle discount. We not need it right there, but we need this. How to price it? Okay. You have to know logic to this. You have to just look name, description, price, and quantity. Name should be okay. Lead generation. Ration. Description. Double this. 2x your outreach. Your don't literally write like this. I'm just filling the blanks because telling you that you have just after building it, you have to just work for 1 hour to just manage all content. You can just write it for chat gpt. There's a $5,000 for this paid edition. Quantity is one. No tax. No, we have a lot of people just discounted here. You discount even here when it means that you have just changed this price to 5,000 2,500 here only. We're not taking advance. You just you discount pre-discount differently. So don't do discount here. You have to discount like here. If you discount, say 50% discount, it just subtotal as 2,500 here. So don't do that because it just hamper you this. With just a quick knowledge because in the morning I just try to do this stuff. Okay, pretty defined. Right, for anything else? Okay. Okay. I just forgot to write a document. You can just write a document like just easy flow proposal. So, so now it's good to go. Now we see whole the scenario how we create. We just develop everything, but before that we just check this system is working all right now. Huh? Just run it on. This problem statement just copy from here. I will write it and see if this working or not. Yeah, and just put it. Okay, see, yeah, it's work here. Now see the Pandadoc draft. Okay, just go to there. Going to home, my document, and see the draft. Yeah, now see you can get the document here. Now now you can say we have Alex Hormozy left click solution. NASA that we have problem statement based on conversation. We have this, and also yesterday we have the pricing, lead generation 5,000, 5,000, and generation it. And also in the agreement, you can see that we have everything that who is a company, number, date. If I put the date, you can also put the date when you are needed. I'll not put the date because the current it doesn't matter to at all. So just like this, then you had every time was contact. You have said that our company name is floating here. You have not just go to re-edit everything. That okay, I have to put this company name. Okay, I have put this company name. A lot of people try to just editing the most of time. It can already automate right here. No, you see, I give the gist of it. Now, what I do now, what I do that, you just do the whole system and just generate a whole proposal. You just run everything and just generate the whole proposal. But I said the minimum for that. After you can do that, you just add multiple blocks solution and just send it to the webhook. Just have the solution writing statement, you have the title writing statement for enter. But one problem is that you can't send multiple data through the webhook. You can send the multiple data to the webhook. You have to do another stuff. So I just tell you how you can do to send multiple data to the webhook here. Now we can't send the multiple data through the webhook because it doesn't allow. But I know the trick how to send the multiple data. So here is a quick trick that we can send the data. I have to just generate a text and just write that no adding any information, send it as JSON object. Yeah. Now here we just create a JSON object right now. There is a problem. Okay, there is a problem. We have not that output. Okay, yeah, you have to just write in JSON format. So there's a problem, and just this, and you have okay, the problem. Come on, X. Okay, you have to just write a business. Okay, this we just have a business info. Business info. Okay, just business slash info. We have info, the information, and just we writing into array. We also can use array and then and this is called business. Now close this bracket. No comma required. Enter it. Backslash. Never do like this. Go to there. Copy this stuff. Go to JSON editor. And the JSON editor. Put your stuff here and just arrange it right. Yeah. And then copy. Okay, just arrange it. Copy. Yeah. Then go to your boring system and just replace it. Now we have to good to go. Now we just put this variable called output and just send this output variable. Okay, we have same generatrix and thing. So we have to do nothing. Go to preview and just I tell you how to read off. We just not want to create a Pandadoc again. Okay, we want to create a Pandadoc again. We just have to just delete it right now. Do the next data. now we just send a pretty much data with that required. Okay, just sending like, okay, just use, it doesn't, problem statement and problem. Okay, just where I save this problem. Okay, okay, just see. Okay, this is right. Okay, just the problem is that no soap. Just send the data how I just send soap. And business one is that left click solution. Yeah, just two things. See the work is working. Ready for later. Okay, close it. Let's stop it. Forcefully stop. Okay, request it. Now send it. Okay, send this data or this breakdown anywhere. That is good. Same input that we required. Output variable and same. Okay. Why is not happening right now? I think just have to just see the main flow. Problem is that I not connect the system. Okay, and how it is possible to do this generating system? Yeah, I somehow be dumb here. That's not the problem. That's not thing I have to do. I just forgot to just wire everything. Yeah, we can just we not needed also in it. Not even copy this and just copy here. I will not needed this right now. No, sometimes it happens. Okay, take a plain breath. You are a human being. You can make mistake. Yeah, it is working right now. So up, no, so up. Okay, business is left. Click solution and let's say it. No, will anything happen to my system right now? Just lose anything yet? Baby cries. Debugger is right. Stop it and just go to debugger. See what happens. Why it's not using make.com as a flow? Okay. Problem is that it is secondary, not a binary thinking happening. Okay. I just forgot. Is I just connect this wrong way. Okay. No. Now it's connected right way. Oh, yeah. Again and again, I'm making the same mistake. Now, it is good to find. Now, I think mix.com MindStudio have to just increase the size of the canvas, so I just have a look on it. Oh, also they also just ball that line up like this, so I just look the properly. And get this name Alex right now. Alex. With these two information, we have to just say the here because I want to just tell you that how I just can send the multiple data if you need it. Here. Okay. No. No. Register data you get it in both format: proposal, introduction, and enhancing solution details and everything. Bundle and you have the data. May I use something different? Okay, here. No. Yeah. This is the way you can send the data by the JSON format. You just a JSON format and you just pass the JSON and you can use it. Now, this is the whole system I built it. Now you tell you that how to build a single module, how to transfer multiple data, and how to just make a template in Pandadoc. Now you just have to just literally just put some effort on it, just repeating that stuff repeated, and just can create a proposal you desire it in a few seconds. Now, hope it helped you that I work in that. If you like, just comment in it. And if you have any question, just put in comment. As soon as possible, I come to help that for that. Bye there.